Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a cold start on the 95 3500 Chevy 3500 one-ton dump truck with the 6.5 liter diesel. So this one's always a little bit harder to start in the winter, and it's pretty chilly out, so there we go. Like a glove. Starting to smoke a bit. But as far as that goes, it's a good old truck. Just getting some firewood loaded up into this rig. Heat the house. Alright, there you have it, guys. Thanks for tuning into the channel. See y'all very soon. Peace out, like and subscribe.